What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. So I wanted to hop on here really quick and talk about my new lighting setup. If you guys have been following me for the last couple of years, you know that I wanted to wait a while to get my lighting done. That was the last thing I wanted to do because it's probably the least modification I use on my truck when I go on the trails. This lighting company is called Dark Defense. It's actually owned by a buddy of mine who is, I believe, in Washington and Walla Walla. He's a local company. He makes great product. So the one I chose up top is going to be a DD-S4. I'll link everything in my description so you guys can check them out and see which products you want. I'll link the website on there as well. But the one I have up top is a DD-S4 array, and you can do however so you want them. So I have mine 3 on the outside on each side, and then I have the 6 lights in the middle there, and I have 2 switches. So if I want to use just ambers, I can use those. Or if I want to use just the white lights in the middle, I can use that as well. And you can see on my hood lights, these are both amber. They're spot flood combo. And I also have these on my bumper as well. Spot flood combo for both the insides here, and then just a flood for my outside. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the different variations that I have. I'm gonna turn the truck on, show you guys the variations of the lights that I have on so you can see what they look like. So here we go. They are extremely bright. A little later in this video, I'll show you guys a drone view from when I took, I think it was last night, to show you how far the projection is for these lights. So you won't mind when you go night riding. The easiest way to wire all your lights in is to get an aux beam. So aux beam, you can get these on Amazon. This is an 8-banger, pretty much means it comes with 8 switches. You can wire whichever lights to. I wish they had cooler names for these ones, but I have like the roof light, as you can see, and it comes with like an entire mat that has stickers that you can choose from on there. So, and I do like the fact that it lights up so you can know which ones you're using, just in case you don't leave, so that you don't leave them on when you turn off the truck or go somewhere, which is really nice.
In this next section, I actually took a drone and showed the above view for the projection. This is your OEMs. This is your headlight or your rack bar. Both of those guys on. This one is just your ambers. I have your 2 down low, your spot flood combo. And then you can see all of them put together here. And they're still pretty bright for the ambers.
Now, if you guys have any questions at all about the lights, just hit me up in the comments. They're extremely great lighting from a great company. They're a little smaller, but hopefully we can get them to grow so that everybody can get a hold of these lights because they're pretty great and they come at a great price and great warranty. I'm going to link everything in the description. Just comment down below if you guys have any questions, or also use the code TrailGhost because it gives you guys a 25% off discount, which is huge. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the view or the review of these lights. Follow my Instagram as well, TrailGhost 4x4, because I'll be posting a lot of these light pictures and videos up there, so it's going to be pretty awesome. So thank you guys so much for viewing. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.